I did the Love Awakening workshop because a friend of mine highly recommended it for me. In the very beginning, I was supposed to do it alone, but then I actually thought that it was good also for my partner. So we did it together, and in the very beginning, I was super nervous because it was having this kind of skeptic approach, like, I'm doing this for you, you know, you owe me something. And so, like, yeah, in the beginning I was like, oh my god, he's gonna hate me forever for dragging him here. But in the end, oh, it was very grateful. It was very grateful because we've experienced moment of connection like never happened before. Although we're very in love, I mean, we're having a fantastic phase of our relationship. I don't know, it's difficult to put it in words because it's so intense, it's so deep, and so unexpected, I might say. He's doing it. It's not just saying, oh, I'm like that. He's actually working on what he knows he needs to work on. And that's the biggest difference I've perceived. And it's something that I really recommend. I cannot put it in clear words. It's just something that you have to do it because your knowledge many things about yourself that you probably didn't know, or probably you knew, but they were so deep and covered in dust that a certain sense you need actually to remove the dust and put it up to light again and to see how great we all are and how great things can work in a relationship, and which is the stupendous sparkly potential of having somebody with you sharing a life and feelings and all the good things that life can offer. So yeah, again, I guess this must be very confusing, but that's how you feel, like all emotions, all goodness, all greatness, all just do it. Just do it.